So this is my chart, and this is the Solana USDT chart on the 1 day time frame. So this is how it has been. This last candlestick is the current price for today, 21 January 2025, and this is the time in UTC right now as I'm speaking to you. So yeah, I was talking about the Bollinger Bands. It's one very good indicator which you can incorporate when you are making your trading decisions. So I'm going to pull up that indicator. So yeah, Bollinger Bands. So yeah, this is it. So if you can see, uh, three lines were made. So this is the middle line, the middle orange line. This is the upper line, or we call it upper band, and this is the lower band. So Bollinger Bands are, I will see them like guideline for the price of a coin, So they show how the price may be moving. Like for example, is it moving too high, or is it moving too low? So I'll first talk about the middle line, which is the orange line. So this I will explain as the average price over a certain number of days in this case, because we are dealing on the daily time frame. So this line is like the average of the price every day, the average of the price of the coin every day. So right now we can see that the price, which is here, which is this one, is far higher than the average. This is the average, but the current price is far higher. So that's about the middle line. So the other one is the top line, or the top band, or the upper band as it is called in trading terms. So I would say this is like the upper limit of where the price should go to. So if the price is getting closer to this upper limit, like it's in this case now, you can see the current price is 253.38, and it's very close to the upper limit. In fact, it has touched the upper limit earlier on, but right now it's just close to it, right? So this means that the price is really high, is expensive, is overbought, and it looks like it's going to fall soon. It has attempted to fall, like as you can see here, but it's back higher. So my first indication of what I'm seeing now is that the price of this coin is really, really high now, far higher than the average price. And we have the lower band, or yeah, the lower band, and this is like the lower limit. So if the price gets close to this point, which is not the case now, it means that the price of this coin is really, really low now. It's cheap, you know. So another thing you should notice in this is we can have situations when the upper limit and the lower limit is close to each other. For example, in this point, yeah, you can see these two parts are close compared to here and here, right? So when the 2 points are close to each other, like this part, yeah, it means the price is not moving too much. Like the volatility is low, and this sometimes happens before there's a big move. If you notice, if you look at this point, you can see after this line, the price begin to go up, right? You can look at this narrow place. After it begin to go up. So it always shows that narrow point is always happening before the price begins to go up, right? And when the band is wider, like as we are seeing now, in this point where the price is, it means that the volatility is high, so the price is going up and down, high volatility. Yes. So yeah, like you can see again, I'm just going to reiterate, the price is bouncing on the near top band. So it suggests there's a strong uptrend. But since it is close to this top band, it might mean the price is overbought and could correct. When I mean correct, it means it could go down a little bit before moving up again, right? So we need to pay attention to whether the price is coming back down to the middle line. If it's coming back to the middle line, then we need to be careful because it could come down further. So yeah, that's it. Bollinger Band really helps us to see the price if it's too high or it's too low, and whether things are calm or about to get exciting. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice evening.